Morning guys, how's it going? We decided to add something to our arsenal of toys. Well, this is not necessarily a toy, but let me show you what we got here. So, I think the best thing you can do when you get in a car accident is to buy something that's going to get you in another accident. So, I've been doing some research. Now, this is not going to be a review video. This is more of an unboxing video and look at some of the mods that I'm going to do video. So, yeah, I'm not going to give you any comments on the delivery company or the company I ordered this from because they both suck. And that's all I'm going to say about it. It's the most frustrating purchase I've ever made in my life. But anyhow, let me see if I can get the wonderful Willow to help me unload this thing. And then we'll unbox it. Alright guys, I got everything put together for the inaugural or first test ride. It shipped with 50% battery strength. So I got the chargers charging maybe for like an hour, hour and a half now, and it's up to 67%. And these little 2 amp chargers get hotter than heck. So I don't know if that's normal or what the deal is. I did order a couple more things. I ordered a mud flap extension here for this part. Some of the reviews on YouTube say that this area is notorious for flinging mud and everything up on you. So ordered a kit that has a front extension and a rear extension. I'll probably do the one on the rear as well. This is actually really easy to put together. Basically just fold it up, put the pin in, and then lock the handlebar down, and then, or lock the frame down and then put the handlebar on. So I have the other mirror. Ora, come on in the house. Ora. So anyway, as I was saying, some of the other YouTube channels out there have done a full review on it, so I'm not going to do that. You can search Kaabo Wolf Warrior or Kaabo Wolf King, and find the reviews on that. I don't think there's anything else. I mean, the cargo bag mounts nice right there, and everything looks like it arrived undamaged. This thing is a beast, and we will be taking this with us on the Adventures with Kaabo and Adventures with Overkill series. So the next thing I'm going to do is very simple mod on the front of the truck to carry this. We already have a utility cage that we don't use, so we've got this. This would be perfect to carry it because it folds down and then you can just strap it down. But the one thing I didn't do when I put the winch on was mount a trailer hitch on there, so I'll have to run over to Walmart and grab a weld-on trailer hitch thingy, put that on the winch plate, and that should solve the whole problem of where we're going to carry this. I was thinking we were going to add a little extension to the motorcycle rack back here, but that's getting pretty ridiculous. So we'll just put it on the front. Should be a pretty simple mod. But yeah, I don't think there's much else I can tell you. I may or may not do a video upload of me riding this thing around, like a helmet cam view or something like that. And yes, I do have all of the gear. I ordered Alpine Stars armor, and I got a really nice helmet, and then Willow gave me some gloves that she never uses, although I probably replaced those with maybe something different. I don't know. We'll have to see what it's like riding this thing, how comfortable I feel on it. I may not even like it, but other than that, I think that's probably going to be it for this episode, guys. If you like this episode, give me a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. We got a lot of adventures and upcoming events on this coming up on this channel, and I don't want you to miss those. Other than that, I hope you guys are staying safe, taking care of each other, and as always, I'll catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.